Well, I ordered a bunch of rebar and it's arriving today. I hope I ordered the right stuff because I'm not a professional. Here it is, the rebar arriving. Here are my friendly neighbors, Aaron and Ben Leddick, and Aaron's nephew Jojo. They helped me move this ridiculous amount of rebar. Everything was so heavy. Luckily I had gloves for all of them. We were able to unload all of the steel onto the street there and over there. Man, steel is heavy. These bars right here, this one, that bunch is 1 ton. Hopefully I didn't wake up too many neighbors, although I probably woke them all up. And then I proceeded for the entire rest of the day to carry all of the rebar down to the backyard all by myself. My neighbors multiple times asked me, why are you doing it by yourself? And I was like, I don't have anyone here to help me. So what else am I gonna do? I had the time. My family was in Michigan. I needed something to do. I could carry about like 2 at a time. That was enough. What did we learn today? You know what I learned? I learned about the kindness of neighbors. I think I asked my neighbors a day prior, maybe 2 days beforehand, if they could help me move some rebar, like wake up at 7 in the morning and unload thousands of pounds of steel from a truck, and they said yes. If you find good neighbors, keep them. Don't ever let them move. Seriously, if one of your nice neighbors wants to move, like chain them into their house or something.